Assalamu alaikum. This is Sadi here. This is a beautiful and a wonderful morning actually. And now at present time I am class 8 and here are a lot of students present and today is 7 January 2025. Here most of the students are very skillful, they are very beautiful, so lucrative and so wonderful. And I pray for all the students that today or tomorrow they will be a magistrate, they will be a teacher, they will be a doctor in fact. And I, as a teacher, I congratulate at first the student of Palgri name is Misbah and the name of another student Omar bin Tasnim and another student name is Tashpia, Rima, Nuha as well. And finally I want to say the last speech about the class 8. All the students be careful about their studies actually. If you are not be attentive in your studies, you will fall down and be shit. So thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.